Okay, so for this part of the bag back here, there would probably be a pocket here, but that would need to be in the darker brown. And then up here there'd be a handle, just a small handle, and we'll do that in the lighter brown. So we'll do that first since I have the lighter brown out. Okay, so I've got it rolled out. I'm just going to cut it a little bit thicker than the ruler. Okay, what we're going to do is just place water at both ends, here, here, attach one there, and then let this kind of go a little bit. Okay, you want to give it movement, like so. Okay, then we want to go ahead and take our little stitching wheel. You could do this part before you place it on, but whenever I do that, I usually, well, when I push it on there, I usually end up getting rid of the stitching, but totally up to you. Then this is a tip, let's see, it's a tip number 8, and what I do is I just push in with the 8. Later what we'll do is take a little bit of gold paint, like their little gold studs there, holding that on. Okay, so that's the little handle. All right, so let's see, now we're gonna need that pocket that I was discussing earlier. So the pocket is the darker brown. Let me pop this away so it doesn't dry out. Okay, so what I want to do, I've got some of the chocolate rolled out, and then I just kind of cut some of this off and just kind of rolled it into a ball, and then a little bit more into a rectangle type shape. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Okay, and what I'm going to do, take this. Might be a little big, so we'll cut some of that off. Flip it over, place this inside. A little water. Fold this over. Spread this out just a little bit more. So that actually will fold it over up there. And then kind of pull this in here and in. Okay. I'm just kind of rounding this off a little bit because that's the pocket. Take that, place that on here. Okay, then we're going to take this, like there's a little pocket here, so that's the stitching on the pocket. Now I'm taking the light brown, we're going to do a little bit of detail work on that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put some trim right around the edge here. And again, the tracing wheel for stitching. What I'm going to do, I like to put one more little pocket here on the side. Okay, and that's all you need rolled out for that right there. Okay, and all we want to do is just cut a U shape. And then you can kind of straighten it out. Take a little piece of this, dark brown, place it right on top here. Pick up your little pocket. Put a little water around the edge. Okay. And I usually have this one kind of open like that a little bit. Then take another piece of this and we'll just do that trim. I'm just going around the bottom. Stitching.